And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you a very easy Cubism effect. We've got a specific filter for that. Let me copy the original. And I make sure that the layer on top is selected, and then I go to filters. There you find the artistic, category and Cubism. It's a very simple menu. Make sure that preview is checked and you can see the effect applied real time. And it only has 2 values. Let me increase the tile size and we can see the cubes clearly. If you make it too big, you're going to have this abstract effect. For this example, I'll go lower, maybe up to here. Tile saturation, if I go down, you can see what it does. So it creates overlaps. And if I go down, we have a background, and the color of it is determined by this background color below the 2 sliders. I'll make the saturation higher so that we've got bigger overlaps and there is no black background anymore. So you have to play around with these 2 values a little bit. But I'm fine with this one. Don't forget to click on OK. And this was the original. And here we've got our Cubism effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.